Hi everybody, it's time to learn the difference between slowly
and quickly.
So what we'd like you to do is get your hands, you can bring them with you, and clap,
Clap, clap your hands as slowly as you can. That's slow.
Your turn, Beth.
Let's now do it quickly. So, clap, 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 clap your hands as quickly as you can.
Woo, that's quick!
And it's hurting my hands.
Well then, let's rub
your hands as
slowly as you can. That feels good. What's next?
quickly.
Oh yeah.
Rub your hands as quickly as you can.
Whoa, it got hot.
Sure did. So we gotta cool these hands off.
Yeah.
Let's shake, shake, shake your hands as slowly as you can.
And next, you know what's next. Let's
Shake,
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 whoa, I got a little out of control there. Woo.
Last one, hands up, make fists, and let's roll your hands as slowly as you can.
You know what's next.
Hands as quickly as you can.
Now we know the difference between slowly
And quickly.
bye